Hello, my name is Ridhima and the topic for my project review is the sum of the squares of first n natural numbers using for loop. So here is the front panel window and here is the block diagram window. So for major part of the project we will be working on the block diagram window. Now firstly I need to have a numeric control for the input. So for that I'll do the right click and under the controls palette I'll select numeric, then numeric control. Now let me place it here. Yes. Now to display the result I also need a numeric indicator. So I'll click on that and I'll also place it. Yes, like this. Now for better understanding, let us rename numeric 2 as result and numeric as n because we'll take n as the input. Now let us come on to the block diagram window. Here we need to work with for loop, but before that let me adjust the result a bit. Yeah, that's done. Now for the for loop, I'll do right click and under the functions palette, I'll select structures and for loop. Now I can drag and adjust the size of the box. Yes. Now I'll connect my numeric control to the counting terminal, which is n, and I here is the iteration terminal and it starts from 0. So now let me connect this n to the counting terminal. Yes. So that's connected. Now since I starts with 0, I need to increment it. So for that I'll use the increment operator under the numeric. Yes, that's also connected. Now since we are doing sum of the squares, now square we can obtain by multiplying the number by itself. So here we have multiplication operator and I am attaching it here. Yes. Now let me connect this y terminal to I plus 1 and also the x terminal to the same. Yes. Now let me adjust this multiplication operator a bit. Now I will connect this to the line here. Yes. This is the auto index tunnel and it will store all the values of the array. Like first, we will have I is 0. So I plus 1 is 1 and 1 into 1 will go to this x and y terminal and the output is 1. Similarly, when I is 1, I plus 1 will become 2. So to the multiplication operator, 2 into 2 will go and it will become 4. And all this value 1, 4, then 9, it will store under this auto index tunnel. So we need to sum the elements of this auto index tunnel, for which we will again use a numeric palette and under that we will use this add array elements, which you see here. Yes, we will connect it here. That is done. Now using the wiring tool, let us connect this operator to auto index tunnel. That's done. And now let us connect it to the result, which is a numeric indicator to display the result. Yes. Now let us run the program and check if we are doing correct or not. So here I run it. Now for 0 the result is 0. Now when I change it to 1 the result is 1 square, that is 1. Now on doing it 2 the result is 1 plus 2 square, which is 1 plus 4, which is 5. Now coming on to 3, the result should be 1 square plus 2 square plus 3 square, which is 1 plus 4 plus 9 and which is 14. So that is done. We have verified our result and successfully completed our project. Thank you.